Show you how to set up TikTok pixel with partner integration. Let's start it. If you are new in my channel, please subscribe. And if you have any question, you can comment. This page are little bit slow. Friend, if you have any question, please you can comment me. I'll reply. I'll try to reply. And then scanning product, recommended TikTok marketing. TikTok marketing submit campaign. That content optimization event. Click here. Complete content. Submit a campaign. Go to setting, create data sharing. Here is the data sharing, then maximize, then this disconnect it. Con Connect your user to user to marketing and TikTok shopping. Okay, then lemon this one then sorry my friend, I will create a new pixel. Okay, stemline. Sorry, I will disconnect this one also, and I will create the new one. Okay, okay, here is the create new pixel. And then I will create this one, then confirm. Okay, okay, then it's connected with your store. Then I will check it. Okay, account. Okay, then this is my website. I will check it. Sorry, here I will check it. Let me see. There is there. Okay, I have to remove the old pixel first, then I will go to the here. Sorry, here.
Oh, so what, Mike?
Then go to the theme liquid, delete code. Then theme liquid, then remove the old pixel from here because someone installed a code here, and you can see my new pixel here DG, and here DG same are working. So this is the setup pixel. I hope you understand. If you have any question, you can comment. I will reply, and please subscribe my channel, and if you can follow my Facebook page. Uh, I'll check the rare one. Okay, thank you. Then I will set up the event. Okay, then finish it, and then I will reload it. Okay, because it's have only 2 pixel. I will reload it. Then see the new one. Sorry, see the new one. So I will remove this one first. Then I will go to this pixel. Data sharing. This completely. Okay. Then account. Okay. Then I will go to the event setup. Dusting, remove the introduction follow policy sensitive. Okay. Then go to the setting. Then advanced messaging. Then click the event. Okay. Then event type. Add to cart. Then I will go to this site. Then I will check only home page. Okay. Uh, Sorry. Then I will. You can use URL or web email. So I will click the web email. Okay. Then I will skip verification. Then this is the web email. Then view product. Okay. Then uh, click this one and click view product. Yes, add event. Okay. Then I'll click here. Then go to this one. Then here, sorry, here. I see. Then I'll check out. Click the checkout. Sorry, add to cart rails. Then it is cart phase. When you click add to cart, then it will show cart phase. So cart phase is this one as add to cart, and this sorry, this one is view content. Sorry, mistake. View content. Then add to cart. Then I'll click the keyword here cart CRT cart. Then checkout. then we'll go to checkout. Then we'll click the checkout from here. And check out. If you save it, it will. If you save it, it will counting the event. I hope you understand. If you have any question, please comment. Thank you.